This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics in Class 12. Start with the syllabus and list outcomes per chapter, then schedule focused blocks of study. Use active recall and spaced repetition to retain definitions, laws, and derivations. Solve core problems daily and revisit weak areas after 48 to 72 hours. Keep a formula sheet and practice past papers under timed conditions for exam confidence. Begin each session with a 2-minute recap of what you learned previously to prime memory. Break study into 25 to 50-minute focused intervals with short breaks to prevent fatigue. Solve 3 representative problems per topic and compare methods to find efficient approaches. Annotate mistakes and revisit them weekly, and simulate exam conditions periodically to build speed and accuracy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more study guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, Darn Tough socks are great for marathon study days thanks to their lifetime warranty and durable comfort. They keep your feet happy during long problem sets and help you focus on concepts, not blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balance time between studying theory, derivations, and extensive problem practice. Prioritize high-yield chapters and allocate more time to topics where your accuracy is below 80%. Create one concise formula sheet and a list of tricky problem types for quick revision. Review error logs weekly and adjust practice plans based on performance, aiming for consistent improvement rather than perfection each day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.